Right, hiya people. Lunar Clubman SB. Taking microwave out. Right, here we go. Take your socket off. And then your plug goes straight through. Don't need to cut your plug off. Then you've got your bracket to hold it in. That comes out, look. Then you've got your fascia, which clips in. Yeah, like that. Pulls off. Yeah. Then they clip into that, and you've got your big screws through your cupboard. You see there. Because now I didn't have a clue what to do. So you screw them out first, obviously, and that goes into your cupboard like that. Nearly broke it there, look. Yeah. And that's it. I'm going to put new one in now. £55 from Argos. Thank you very much. See how it goes. Okay people, thank you.